any well-run business needs to have an annual appraisal process. At the end of the day, what is that? It's nothing more than an employer and an employee taking the time once a year to sit down and discuss matters sensibly and constructively. What's doing well, what's not so good, what are the strengths, what are the weaknesses. There are no particular magical formula about appraisal processes other than the fact you ought to document them. And that's fairly straightforward. There are any number of appraisal forms that you can have that work. The point about the appraisal process is that you document honestly what the situation is with the employee, the strengths, the weaknesses. It's important you deal with them honestly. Very often people have an appraisal process and all they say is everything's wonderful, because the last thing they want to do is deal with an awkward situation. However, you really do need to tackle awkward situations, and if you have concerns, tell people. The reason I say that is, if you subsequently want to take someone through a disciplinary route where you say their performance is not what it should be, one of the first things that may be brought back at you is, well, we haven't had an appraisal and you haven't told me about those concerns, or we have had an appraisal and you never mentioned it, so they can't really be that serious. That's why you have a proper appraisal process.